Hi boys and girls, we're at the Real Toy Shop. What we got for you today? Well, we've got a BMW F750 GS. This is for the one with those little legs that aren't up to our armpits. Nice bike, economical bike, really nice condition, and that's what we're going to show you in this video. We're going to walk around, show you the condition of the bike, tell you what we can do for you, let you hear it run up, if you can stick around that long, and then tell you what services we can give you. Before we get kicked off, thank you to all of you who subscribe and give us a thumbs up. It's always appreciated. That's very, very nice of you. And long may it continue. Please feel free to drop a comment or whatever if you're being nice on that particular day. No nasty ones. No one says out nasty about each other's bikes, do we? But, so just keep it respectful. Share the love. Right, let's get cracking on. And this lovely condition F750. So, where do we start? 2019 bike, parallel twin, stupidly economical, nice and torquey, and now we've got really good condition as well. Most of the time on one of these, you'll be getting 60, 70 miles to the gallon out of it, which is, considering size, weight, all that good stuff, it's not bad, is it? Obviously, it's a smaller bike than the 1200 GS, and someone said this was the more sensible choice. Savvy choice. If you've got a long tour, obviously you'll save yourself a fortune in fuel, and you won't be lugging a great big lumpy bike about. Have a look down there, look, headers, all lovely. We've got Wunderlich engine bars on there, so should you be unlucky enough to have a little wobble, you've got something to protect all your nice BMW plastics from scratching and marks, etc. We've got some bark busters handguards. Now, you don't have to be serious off-roading or anything to have a set of bark busters on or handguards. They're just great. Keep that wind off the back of your hand and rain. If you're chucking it down with rain, it keeps the back of your hand dry. That's the first thing that gets it. And you've got heated grips in there as well. Keep your dandies warm while they're behind there. Nice extra. Really nice extra, that. We've got some paddock bobbins down here, so if you want to, do some maintenance and stuff, this, we just want to run it up the road. Look, it's got a little bit of light surface on there. We've got the Anarchy 3 tyres on. This one is got the LED indicators as well. But if you look at the condition of the bike, all the collector box and everything like that, all in really, really nice order. Again, back shock and stuff as well in there. You'd know, if it was all lathered and caked and everything else, you'd know it's led a harder life than this. On these later 750 GSs, your tank is actually up here. Well, the tank is down here somewhere, but you fill it from the top in the conventional way and not from round here where some of the old ones were. And it just makes it just that bit more, oh God, obvious when you jump on the bike. ABS, of course, we've got trip menu. And let's have a look around the body. We've got a quick shifter down there as well. Hopefully you can see the same as me, condition of the bike is absolutely lovely. So that's number one thing, isn't it? I guess why we do these videos. That's why we're here doing them, so that you can see what I can see, all done in one hit. We don't edit anything. It's just me going as I see it. So please excuse me that. Adjustable screen, he says. Is it adjustable screen? No, it's not adjustable screen on the... Oh, yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. I knew it was. You pull that bit down there, don't you? Screen adjusts up and down. God, I had to think then. That many bikes. Too many bikes. Yeah, it's what we do. Look, they're everywhere, these bikes. Absolutely flipping everywhere. All gorgeous, flipping rows of them. We're not a shiny showroom type of place. We're old school bikes. Come and have a look, come and have a play. No one's chasing you around trying to get your credit score. So, what can we do for you on this bike? We now know what the bike's all about. Parallel twin, economical, low seat height, plenty quick enough, plenty nimble enough. It's going to take you on any tour you want to go on. Got a beak on there as well, a beak protector. So, we know about the bike. We're going to hear more about the bike when I start it up, and I'll show you some of the controls and stuff, but if you've got a part exchange, because you might likely have, you might want to be upgrading your bike, please visit us I don't mean here. Well, you can. That'd be lovely as well. Please visit us there. With a part exchange form, it's the quickest, easiest, simplest way for me to get you a price on your bike. Might need some videos, might need some pictures, all that good stuff, but that's your first stop. Take you 2 minutes. It's not a lot to ask, given that what we do here, pictures, videos, do long descriptions, all that good stuff. And on that, if you want a more detailed description, go to the website. If the bike's still available, I'll put the website in the link down below, in the description down below. Please just click on there and have a look. It'll give you all the details that you need to know. Optimate connection, we put it on all the bikes, so it just keeps the charge up. So yeah, that's the size of that. Delivery. Oh, did I mention? Yeah, I didn't, did I? Come on, the finance, monthly payments. That's your number. Give the office a ring. They'll talk you through payments. If you're happy, they'll put you through. Let's make it stress-free. See if you can get you those monthly payments. Delivery, we'll deliver this for nothing, absolutely anywhere. Mainland UK, we'll get the bike to you. It's me, my happy smiling face in a purpose-built van. So if you see the real toy shop van, give us a honk. Frighten me to death, or wonder what I've done wrong. And yeah, if you're in a far-flung area of Cornwall, Inverness, or something like that, we may use our dedicated motorcycle courier to fetch it up to you, if it's not viable for us, but it'll be free. No cost to you. That doesn't mean you can't come and look at the bike. Please do. Come and look at it. We'll deliver it after. Come on a rainy day in your car, and we'll take it another day. Dead simple. Right. Let's make it make a noise, shall we? And have a look at some controls. Before we make it make a noise, and you hear that BMW twin, first off, if you need to ask your missus, ask her first. By that, whoever you need to ask permission off. Your mother, your brother, your dad, your lover, get them asked, then give us a call. We'll talk you through the paperwork. Dead easy. Nothing like talking through it all, and then we'll have to ask missus first. Anyone in the motor trade knows that. Right then, let's make that noise. There's my dandies, there's the key, there's the dash. There you go. So everything's all doing its thing. Let's press the start button. There you go. Engine light goes out. Ah, why are they flashing? Why is my ABS light flashing? Because it's supposed to. Once you've done 5 miles an hour, so many revolutions of the wheel, that will go out. Last check. If you go to a bike and that's not on and it's got ABS, it's broken. Walk away. Pooey, bigger screen. Forgot to mention it. Just noticed it. So, on here we've got menu. We can go through your various trips, your setups, all that good stuff, and then your downward button gives you some more stuff at the bottom there. Ranges, there you go, 64 to the gallon. Whoever's had this has been getting out of it. Not bad, is it? I'd say you get more out of it. Maybe, you know, maybe they've been in a bit more country lanes and stuff like that. Gallons per hour. There you go. Exhaust temperature. Never seen that before in my life on a bike. Engine temperature. We did take the liberty of warming it up ever so slightly. People moan when I rev it after I've just started it. Here we've got USB chargers, look. 2 of. How handy are they? Dead handy, that's what I'd say. So, that's all your bits and bats. The ABS on these, you can turn it off if you're off-road. Why you'd want to, I don't know, but you can. Well, actually, I do know why you'd want to. You turn it off so mud can collect under your front wheel and allow you to, or back wheel, and allow you to stop. There you go. Headlights, automatic. See that little symbol in there? You can change that, turn them off, make them automatic or not. Dead easy, isn't it? Dead easy. Rider modes here on the other side. So you could change all your different rider modes. Road, dynamic, enduro, range, road, dynamic, enduro. There you go. So, let's leave it in road. It's happy at that. That's its engine map and its throttle response. Looking down here, look, you've got fancy headlight there. How cool does that look? Let's hear the engine. I mean, you can hear the engine. Nice, tight, proper sounding BMW parallel twin. Nice bark to it, big twin, loads of torque, loads of economy. It's a well-known formula. What else can I tell you? Well, it's got nearly half tank of fuel in. I won't take any out, I promise you. Just turn her off. There you go. There's my dandy again. Big coat on. It's cold today. Wander around here. Quick recap for those that have got this far. Well done. Recap number one. Well, if you want the bike, you've got a part exchange, you know what to do. Go to that website, have a little look, fill out the form, jobs are good. Number two, if you want some monthly payments, again, speak to us. We'll sort you that out. Number three, if you want us to buy it, get it paid for, let's get it in a van, get it to you as quick as we can. Ha! Poet as well. Thanks for watching. I'm out of here. It's always appreciated you got this far. Little thumbs up would be wonderful. And that's it. Don't forget, ask your missus first. I'm out of here. Or film another one. I'll see what I fancy. See you later.